If you sneeze with your eyes open, could your eyeballs actually pop out? Well, not exactly. When you sneeze, a blast of air shoots out of your lungs at nearly 100 miles per hour, rushing through your nose and mouth like a mini explosion. Try to keep your eyes open, and that pressure might make it feel like they're going to launch out of your skull. But don't worry, that's just a myth. So what's really happening here? I'll break it down, but if you've got eyes, hit that like button and subscribe. Prove it by dropping eye emoji. Here's the truth. Your eyeballs are tightly anchored in place by strong muscles and ligaments, snug inside your skull.